Welcome to this video, a comprehensive guide to understanding variable frequency drives, or VFDs. This video is intended for electricians, engineers, and householders alike. A VFD is an electronic device that controls the speed and torque of an AC induction motor. By varying the frequency and voltage, it allows motors to run precisely at the speed required for the task, moving away from a fixed speed. We will now examine the core mechanics of how a VFD transforms electricity to control motion, specifically focusing on the stages of conversion. There are three main stages of conversion. The rectifier stage converts incoming AC power into DC power. The DC bus or filter then smooths the pulsating DC voltage. Finally, the inverter stage converts DC back into simulated AC pulses using pulse width modulation. Pulse width modulation, or PWM, simulates a sine wave. The VFD chops the DC voltage into pulses. By varying the width of these pulses, it controls the effective voltage and frequency, allowing for smooth acceleration and precise speed control. VFDs offer dramatic energy savings. Power consumption drops by the cube of the speed reduction, according to the Affinity Laws. For example, running a motor at 50% speed consumes only 12.5% of the power. For installation best practices, ensure proper shielding with VFD cables to prevent electromagnetic interference. Critical grounding prevents high-frequency shaft currents, and adequate ventilation is necessary to manage the heat generated by VFDs. For engineers, V/F control maintains constant torque by keeping a constant voltage-to-frequency ratio. Advanced drives use vector control to decouple torque and flux, providing high torque even at zero speed. VFDs are key to comfort at home. They regulate pool pumps for filtration and vacuuming, allow HVAC inverter ACs to run steadily, and maintain constant pressure in water pumps regardless of demand. In industrial applications, VFDs provide precise control for fans and pumps, enable slow starts on conveyors to prevent goods from falling, and are used in processing equipment like mixers for variable speeds. Key takeaways include energy savings, mechanical protection through soft start features, precise control for automation, and universal utility, as VFDs are found from household items to industrial settings.